Competitive analysis frameworks. Competitive analysis is a strategy wherein you research competitors, products, services, sales, marketing strategies, and more such parameters to create strong business strategies. Now, we will discuss 5 different competitive analysis frameworks that help you stay ahead of your competitors. Number 1. SWOT Analysis. It is a technique that gives you an idea about your strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats in your business. You can apply this technique to your product and service, sales and marketing strategies, target audience, and more. Number 2. Porter's 5 Forces. It is a group of analyses wherein you study 5 different factors like competitive rivalry, supplier power, buyer power, the threat of substitution, and the threat of new entry. This can help you understand the strength of an organization's current and upcoming competitive position. Number 3. Strategic Group Analysis. It can be created based on many parameters such as specialization, brand identification, market pull and push, product quality, technological positions, vertical integration, cost position, price policy, and more. It is used to examine the competitive environment and the rivalry among competitors within an industry. Number 4. Growth Share Matrix. Growth Share Matrix is a table split into 4 quadrants, each with its own unique symbol. It represents a certain degree of profitability, question marks, stars, pets, and cash cows. It is a planning tool that uses graphical representations of a company's products and services in an effort to help the company decide what it should keep, sell, or invest more in. Number 5. Perceptual Mapping. In this framework, you can figure out where your brand, product, and services stand among competitors. It generally consists of 2 attributes: price and quality. Perceptual mapping is a diagrammatic technique used by asset marketers that attempts to visually display the perceptions of customers or potential customers. Also, you can visit Upmetrics to get 200+ free business plan templates with step-by-step guide on writing a perfect business plan.